Nandito na ba lahat yung ano?
Pupunta kami ngayon sa ano, mga kamag-anak namin.
Matagal nang napabayaan na mag-anak. Na gusto niya nga mag-anak. Ay, nako! Naghahanap pa rin daw ng parking. What? Una pa sila dito.
Eh no, may paalis oh. Sayang.
Dami ko doon. Dyan mo, ang daming umalis dyan. Doon.
What's that? O sige na, ano?
Hintayin muna natin sila.
Ayan.
Niya, hindi siya nagawa.
Uy, uy, uy. Ano meron dyan? Ano meron dyan?
Pelican daw.
Ha?
Pelican.
Oh.
May bigote.
Oh, they eat. Look at that.
Meron siya kinakain?
Baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, let's go. That's enough for that pelican.
Still high.
Meron siya hinuhuli oh. Yan oh. Hinahabol. Oh, nandito tayo sa park ngayon. Oh, nandito na yung mga ano. Mga kamag-anak natin. Oh. Oh, nandun na yung pinsan ko.
They can. He looks at. He found that. He has a long neck.
Let's pick up, Kogi.
Stop. It looks like a heel stretch.
Yeah,
That's a long neck.
yeah,
Look at his head.
yeah.
It's so pretty.
Pretty?
Look at his ears.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh.
What?
Yeah.
Why that monkey know how to fly?
Yeah.
The flamingo?
Mm.
Get a waterfall!
Yeah. There. Oh, there. You see. Bukti mo ha. Sana
Parece un pájaro. Where's the snake?
here.
Over there.
Over here.
Oh.
Look right there.
It's so scary.
That's a small one.
Look at the small one.
It's cute. It's so cute.
You like it?
Yeah. Puppy. I think
It's
it's...
sleeping.
Oh, it's resting.
Oh, that's anaconda. Wow.
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 What is it?
Over here. He's over here.
That is invisible.
What's that?
It's invisible.
Oh.
I can't find it.
Oh.
Wait, what's eating Fruit Loops?
Mm. Yeah.
Why is it being so big?
Oh.
It loves to eat they will stand upside down.
Yeah.
There's a rat. There's a rat.
No. Magkaano tayo daw? Mag-dinosaur hunt. Ha?
Stream bugs.
Yes.
When we was driving a car and
Okay.
and I saw raptor bird.
Oh, raptor?
Yeah, raptor bird.
Raptor bird?
Yeah.
What's that?
It grows to a T-Rex,
Mm-hmm.
Tyrannosaurus, or bird.
Found it. Found it.
Oh, red kangaroo.
Trainer, ano? Is this dinosaur?
What's that? Ha? Uba? Kabisado.
Oh, over here.
Uy, what's this? Meron siyang ano, riles. O kasi ang pwede lang pumunta doon ano eh, Churchill. Train, may train sila eh. May train na pumunta doon. Ganda ba? Ha?
I see a visible footprint.
Oo, footprints.
Dinosaur's footprint. I see it.
Okay. Ha?
Porting lang.
Ha? Siguro parang ano, part ng ano. Oh,
There's dinosaur scratching.
yeah.
They're scratching.
Yeah, you want to
Very hard.
you want to ride in the helicopter? Oh,
Hey, the dinosaur.
go na. Go na. There.
Daddy,
There, there. Go na. Can I see? Oh,
where's the dinosaur? Mom, Dad, where's the dinosaur? Get the statue.
okay, you wanna ride?
No! It's a
Hindi,
statue na
ano po talaga sila, siguro? Oh,
Mga unang labas.
oh, mga unang labas.
Daddy, get the statue.
Yeah. Oh, don't walk in this area. Kung ano naman. Oh. Wala the maternity then. Maluwag yung pinag-ano ng polar bear, no? What's that? Yeah.
Is that the crocodile? T-Rex? T-Rex?
Wala naman daw eh.
Wow! I'm swimming!
Yan.
You'll see. You can breathe underwater?
Yeah! Oh, good! I'm drowning!
Oxygen, oxygen. Oxygen.
Oh, it's beluga. Beluga.
I'm seal.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm a seal.
May, abay mo tulog ba? Tulog na.
Tulog ka. Ano lang, ano siyang palamig.
Oh, no more dinosaur.
I am still fish.
Ayan.